welcome to the channel, you guys. This is the Motorcycle Boss again, and I have something interesting for you. So this time it's going to be a little bit different than I normally do, but I kind of want to show you a secret of basically what motorcycle mechanics or anyone who does their own maintenance, basically what they do. So here is an owner's manual. Everyone's seen it, everyone knows about it. It gives you pretty good, valuable information as far as what you need to know about your vehicle. This one's for ZX10. But the secret is, it's actually called the factory service manual. So this one is for a Honda Shadow Aero, but sport bikes alike and pretty much anything that has wheels has a service manual that you can get that comes with it. And if you look inside, it has everything from how to rebuild the entire motor, torque specs, everything you could think of, how to do valve adjustments, how to troubleshoot things, error codes, different tools to use. This has everything, all the way from how to change your oil up to disassembling the engine and everything in between. It has so much information. And when I used to work at the dealership, I was a salesman at the time, and I would go and say hi to the techs that are back there because I know everything that's going on for the most part. And what I always thought was pretty cool was this is something that everyone has access to that you can either get for free online or you can either order it and get a physical copy like this. And I will also show you guys the digital copy that I have for my bike, which was completely free online. But the technicians, when they work on a bike, they go into the back and they have a whole library full of these books, and they would print pages out and they would follow those step by step, just like they should. So this is an invaluable piece of information that you guys should know. So that way, anytime you get stuck, there's something that you can do that is easy for you most of the time with general hand tools. So with that being said, I'm glad I was able to show you guys this. Please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel. I would love to have more subscribers than I do now, although I love the ones I currently have. Having more is always nice to spread the knowledge, and if you think about it, what's the worst that could happen? You're probably gonna learn a tip that'll save you some money. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.